Let's talk about how to fix Forza Horizon the error-affected network bandwidth too low in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step.
But rather easy, because we're about to demystify this frustrating problem and arm you with effective practical solutions. By the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to troubleshoot and finally overcome the persistent network error, getting you back on the open road and back into the race. First, let's make sure your internet connection is actually stable. Restart your router and modem. It's a classic fix for a reason, often clearing up temporary glitches. Also try switching from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection. If possible, does it provide a much more reliable and faster data stream? This simple step alone can often resolve many bandwidth too low messages right away. Next, we need to dive into your network settings. Go to Network, Internet Settings, then click Change Adapter Options and disable any unused network adapters. You should also try resetting your network settings completely. Windows has a built-in option for this that can clear out any corrupted configurations. Don't forget to restart your after making these changes to ensure they take effect properly. Now let's focus on Forza Horizon itself. Head into the game settings, specifically the accessibility or polling sections, and look for options related to bandwidth or only connectivity. Ensure your game is fully updated, as outdated versions can cause connection conflicts and errors like how to it. Sometimes simply running the game as an administrator can give it the necessary permissions to use your network effectively.
Our final troubleshooting steps involve your firewall and settings. Temporarily disable your Windows firewall or any third-party antivirus to see if it's blocking Forza's connection. But remember to enable it afterward for security. Additionally, consider changing your server to a public one like Google's Android or Cloudflare's, as this can often improve connection stability and speed. These advanced tweaks can make a big difference if the simpler solutions haven't worked.